All right. 2 to 3 protocols, habits, mindsets. Let's call them shortcuts because everybody likes shortcuts. To longevity and a long health span that you would share.
Great sleep. It's huge. Again, I'm spending 45 grand on sleep. Get a great mattress, get the 8 sleep, black out your room, and then use magnesium breakthrough and sleep breakthrough from Bioptimizers. Great sleep fixes a lot of things. I mean, both from a metabolism perspective, aging perspective, brain perspective. For most people, great sleep, and of course, there's a lot of data on people living shorter lives by sleeping too much or not sleeping enough. So I think great sleep is a big one. And then just movement. You got to move. Our bodies are designed for movement. So, micro movement throughout the day. 3 days of weightlifting a week is all you really need, full body. And if you just do great sleep, get micronutrients to your body, movement, you'll live a great life.
Okay, excellent.